Let's start the phase 3 for the maintenance task, in which we will discuss about the WAL archive files. We have already discussed about the WAL files in our architecture sessions. Now just recap it. Basically, WAL files are used to log the changes before they are written to the database. And WAL archive file are the copy of our WAL file that is stored in a separate location and typically used for the long-term storage and point-in-time recovery. And we can also use the WAL archive file for our stand-by-side synchronization purpose. And WAL archiving allow us to save our WAL file for the backup purposes, and we can also enabling the WAL archiving process. Just add this command in our PostgreSQL database. So by the use of these simple commands, we can clean up our WAL archive files from our disk. The first one command, in which we use -n parameter, it will list down the archive files which we want to delete, and if we use -d, it will delete those archives. Let's suppose we use the 26 sequence number. In this command, it will delete the all archive file before the 26 sequence number. So we have to monitor the WAL archive files on a daily basis, and we can also put some alerts at our file system level to check the disk usage and the available space at our OS level.